Hey, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm gonna talk about top 5
best 3D printer.
Starting at number 5.
Creality Ender 3v3SA. There has never been a more user-friendly, sub-$200 3D printer than Creality's Ender 3v3SE. Say goodbye to scratch builds and manual leveling. This machine takes no more than 15 minutes to assemble, then self-levels and sets its own Z height. Its modern LED interface makes the machine simple to use and comes complete with guides to walk you through filament changes and more. It's faster than previous Ender 3s with a max speed of 250 mm per second, which is mainly done by way of a robust build, with linear rods on the Y-axis and dual Z-axis, rather than speedy firmware. Obviously Creality had to cut a few corners to produce this machine. It only has one Z-stepper motor, the second Z-axis is synced with a belt. The bed has a cheaper PC surface, and there's no Wi-Fi.
Coming at number 4.
Bambu Lab A1 Mini. If you want to squeeze as much printing power into a small space and tight budget as possible, then Bambu Lab's A1 Mini checks all the boxes. It's a bed slinger style mini 3D printer with the option of adding a light AMS, automatic material system. It's the fastest bed slinger we've clocked so far, and nearly as fast as Bambu's larger Core XY machines. Retailing at $299 for the printer and $459 with the AMS Lite, it packs more features than the competition for significantly less money. It has an intuitive color touchscreen, quick change steel nozzles and a blazing 10,000 mm/s superscript 2 acceleration speed for fast, clean prints. The A1 Mini can level the bed and set its own Z height with the touch of a button. The AMS for the A1 Mini spoils the compact footprint a bit, as it has to be set next to the printer rather than on top. It makes up for the inconvenience by being superior to the full-sized AMS with sensors that detect tangles and a spindle for each spool that can accommodate filament with odd-sized or cardboard spools.
At number 3.
Solle SV07. It seems like everyone is talking about super speedy 3D printers these days, but what if you can't afford the latest and greatest Core XY? No worries, because Sovol has your back. The company took a solid Ender-style bed slinger with dual Z-axis and a volcano-style hot end, slapped a massive fan on it, and gave it clipper. The result is a very loud, very fast and very affordable 3D printer for $339. The SV07 cruises at 250 mm per second but can hit 500 mm per second in draft mode. Acceleration rates aren't listed, but Clipper has pegged it at 8,000 mm per second, which is way faster than most bed slingers can handle. This is possible because the SV07 has Clipper's input shaping routine to cancel out the vibrations. We printed a perfect speed benchy in 22 minutes using its default settings, as well as several very nice prints. And because it has a direct drive, the printer can even handle TPU when slowed down. The SV07 is a great example of how Clipper can be seamlessly added to any printer. Previously, Clipper was strictly an aftermarket upgrade requiring a Raspberry Pi to hand the computations. Rather than stuff an expensive Pi or similar board inside the machine, Sovol swapped its normal touchscreen for a Clipper pad. The pad handles all the extra work and gives you an easy-to-navigate 5-inch touchscreen with fluid.
Number 2 of my list.
Creality K1. The entire 3D printing community has fallen in love with high-speed printers, and Creality's new flagship, the K1, is looking to win you over. In clear response to the competition, Creality has introduced a speedy, fully enclosed Core XY machine. It boasts a maximum print speed of 600 mm per second paired with an acceleration rate of 20,000 mm per second. It can knock out a speed benchy in 15 minutes with good quality, and its normal print speed is around 5 times faster than old-school bed slingers. The K1 is retailing at $599, the same price as Bambu Lab's open frame P1P. How does it compare? In our testing, The K1 is just as fast as both the P1P and P1S with a better interface and the ability to avoid unreliable cloud printing by using a USB stick or your private LAN.
And number 1.
Bambu Lab P1S. Today's 3D printers are all about speed, and Bambu Labs P1S delivers a whopping maximum print speed of 500 mm per second, backed with an acceleration rate of 20,000 mm per second. How fast is that? Let's just say its turbo button is labeled ludicrous mode. It can knock out a speedbenchy in 17 minutes with good quality, and its normal print speed is around 5 times faster than old-school bed slingers. It's not the most budget-minded printer, but it has the best out-of-the-box experience for both beginners and experienced makers. The P1S is the Goldilocks of Bambu Labs lineup, offering everything you need for very good, very fast prints without going overboard on expensive features. It's a Core XY machine, which offers both speed and smooth printing. It has an all-metal hot end with a direct drive extruder, plus it's fully enclosed for handling temperature-sensitive material like ABS and ASA. It's one of the few plug-and-play 3D printers on the market, arriving 99.5% assembled. All you need to do is unbox and unpack the printer. It even calibrates itself.
Check out this video description for latest price and more informations. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe and stay tuned.